Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Fastboot mode on your VIVO V40 Pro phone. So the first thing we're going to do is power off our phone by holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And then we're going to click on power off. And once our phone turns off, we are going to hold the power button and the volume up buttons once again at the same time, until the Fastboot menu opens up. There we go. So now you're in Fastboot, and you can use your volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. So I'm going to click on that as an example. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.